welcome back to our part 2 video. As you all know that today we are doing English language, and from yesterday we have started with a new chapter, that is chapter number 10 of articles a and the. So I hope you all have watched my part 1 video, in which I have first of all give you a short recap of the chapter, and I have completed with the second book exercise also. Now in this video I will be giving you one notebook exercise to write. Okay, so this assignment is basically on the introduction part of your chapter. Okay, so first of all, we will as you all know that whenever we start with a new chapter, we write its introduction part in our notebooks, and then we write with the its exercises. So today I am going to give you only the introduction part because it is of 2 pages. So I want you all to complete your book exercise as well as this assignment of 2 pages in your English language notebook. Clear? So let's get ready. Are you all ready? Good. First of all, for writing in your English language notebooks, you have to take out your language notebooks, children, and then turn to a new page. As you all know, when we start with a new topic or a new chapter, we start it from a new page. Okay, so what you all have to do, first of all, you have to write down today's date, that is 27/2021. Okay, now before starting with anything, children, I would like to ask you all that day before yesterday I have given you one message on WhatsApp that you all have to submit your holiday homework and all your notebooks, subject notebooks in school. From Monday to Thursday, you all can come to school and submit your notebooks for correction, and after that on Friday and Saturday you can get them back from school. Okay, so I hope many of you must have gone to school and submitted it. Those who have not till now, please make sure, children, till Wednesday, till Thursday, please go to school and submit it. Okay, and all your class teachers will be going to school on Thursday to correct the copies, so you can go and submit your copies there, and then you can take it back on Friday or Saturday. Okay, so it's my humble request to complete all your work and then submit all your notebooks for correction. Okay, and I want you all to complete your work in a nice handwriting. I want all your notebooks to be covered nicely with your name, class and section on it. Okay, and then make sure that you submit it, and also submit your holiday homework, children, because holiday homework carries 10 marks and your notebooks carry 5 marks. Okay, so these marks will be added in your exams, midterm exams. So make sure that follow all the rules which are being told by your teachers. Okay, so let's get started with our today's work, children. Back to our video. Write down today's date, that is 27/2021. Then in the first line you will give the heading of your chapter, that is chapter number 10, A and the. Okay, then in the next line, second line, you will give part A. Today we are going to do part A, that is introduction part. So you will write the heading introduction. After writing introduction, you will leave this line and you will start with a new line. Okay, you will make these star points, or you can just write 1 to 3 points also, or you can draw arrows, any hyphens you can use. Okay, and the first point is the words a and the are called articles. A and और the जो है हमारे ये तीनों क्या कहलाए जाते हैं? Articles. Just make sure that you underline these 3 words. Okay, and circle this word so that you can understand that these 3 words are known as articles. Is that clear? So the first point you will write is the words a and the are called articles. Now next point, we use a, which will be in quotes. Okay, a जो word है हम कब use करते हैं? Before the words beginning with a consonant sound. जो words की शुरुआत कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से होती है, हम उनके साथ में ए यूज करते हैं. क्लियर? वी यूज ए बिफोर द वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग विद अ कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, वी यूज एन before words beginning with a vowel sound. I have explained you this. दैट एन हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? उन वर्ड्स के साथ जिनका साउंड बिगिन किससे होता है? वॉवल से, दैट इज AEIOU से. इज दैट क्लियर? सो आई होप दीज 3 points are clear to you all. Now from the next new page, if you have space under that point, you can write from there, otherwise just turn to a new page. Next point, fourth point is we use the with particular things or before something definite which is already known. The हम कब यूज़ करते हैं? जो पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स के लिए बात होती है या फिर कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो डेफिनेट है, जिसके बारे में हमें बहुत पहले से ही पता है, ओके, कि ये चीज़ एग्जिस्ट करती है. इज दैट क्लियर? सो वी विल यूज द with particular things. Clear to you all? Now your fifth point is honest and are the words that begin with a consonant. ऑनेस्ट और आर कैसे वर्ड्स हैं जो कॉन्सोनेंट से शुरू होते हैं. एच, दोनों की स्पेलिंग्स में एच आता है, दैट इज कॉन्सोनेंट, बट देयर साउंड्स बिगिन विद अ वॉवल. लेकिन जब हम इनको बोलते हैं तो साउंड कैसा आता है? वॉवल का, ओ का. ऑनेस्ट, आर, तो साउंड कैसा आ रहा है? वॉवल का आ रहा है. ओके, सो begin with the vowels, so the article an is used before these words. जब भी हम honest या आर वाला वर्ड देखेंगे तो हम ऑटोमेटिकली इनके साथ कौन सा वर्ड यूज़ कर देंगे? एन वाला. क्यों? कि इन दोनों वर्ड्स की स्टार्टिंग लिखने में ज़रूर कॉन्सोनेंट से होती है, बट जब हम बोलते हैं तो इनका जो साउंड आता है वो वॉवल का साउंड आता है, ओ का साउंड आता है, विच इज़ अ वॉवल. सो वी विल यूज़ एन विद दीज टू words. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood these 2 pages clearly, what you have to write and how you have to write. Once again I am explaining. After writing the date above, today's date, you will give the heading of your chapter with its number, then next line introduction part, and then you will start with all your points which I have given for your introduction. First point, the words a and the are called articles. Second point, we use a before the words beginning with a consonant sound. Third point, we use and before words beginning with a vowel sound. Then next is we use the with particular things or before something definite which is already known. Then fifth point, honest and are the words begin with a consonant, but their sounds begin with a vowel, so the article an is used before these words. So these are the main 5 points of this chapter, of this topic, which you have to keep in your mind. Okay, so there are only 5 introduction points which you have to keep in your mind. I want you all to revise these points and then write in your notebooks, so that you will, whenever you will open this chapter, you can just read these points and you can understand that what you have understood in this chapter and what is this chapter all about. Is that clear? So I want you all to complete this notebook assignment by today itself, so that tomorrow we can do notebook exercises on this topic. Is that clear? So till my next video tomorrow, bye bye children, take care, stay at home, stay safe and enjoy rain. Bye bye.